What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Ola here, and in today's video I'm going to be walking you through how you can literally make money on Google News. Before I literally dive into the video, I would like to show you guys some proof to tell you something I've tried out for myself and something that has worked out for me. So you can see right here, this is a balance of $100 on my screen right here, and I was able to make this money using Google News. So I'm going to be reloading the screen right now to tell you this is not some screenshot or some whatever, and you can see right here the money is done reloading and the money is still intact. Right now I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to make the money using Google News. So the first thing you need to do right now is to head over to googlenews.com. Once you're on the platform, basically all you need to do right now is to pick a topic related to health, business, or finance. So you're going to see different kind of articles in this niche. You can literally pick any of the topic you know you are interested in. Once you already find a topic you know you are interested in, just copy the article and right now go over to spinboat.com, or you could go over to quickboat.com right now to rephrase these articles to avoid plagiarism. Also make sure you go through this article to avoid any kind of grammatical error. So once you are done checking this article right now, all you need to do right now is to head over to this platform called voca.media. So this is the platform that's going to be paying you for this article. So literally just create an account on this platform. If you know you haven't created an account for yourself, it's simple. Just sign in with your Gmail account and you are done creating an account. So right now you're going to be clicking on the story button right here. So you're going to be putting the name of the title of your article. You're going to be putting the title right here. Then you're going to find an image that matches what your article is all about. So once you're done doing that, just click on the post button right here and your article is going to be reviewed. So once your article is reviewed, it's going to be live on their platform, and also it's going to be live on Google. So you can literally repeat this process over and over again. Make sure you're able to write a lot of articles on this website. And another thing you could do right now in order to get people to read your article is you could literally go over to a platform like quora.com right now to go search for questions related to the kind of article you have written on voca.media. So for example, if you are writing an article related to the make money online niche, you could head over to Quora and type in how to make money online. You're going to see different kind of questions, so you can literally answer these questions right and tell them to go check out your article that's going to teach them how to make money online. So people are going to click on your article to read what you have written in your article, and once people clicks on it to read your article, you're going to be getting paid with voca.media. By the way, you could do this for any kind of niche or topic you have written on voca.media. Also, you can also take advantage of platform like reddit.com. You could join a bunch of Reddit group right here to start posting your links, your articles on this website. Get people to read your articles. So once people read your article, you're gonna get paid. You can also share the link to your friends, your family. Join Facebook group, join different kind of group where you know people always gather. So you need to make sure you are always in the place where people always gather, because that's gonna give you a lot of chance in order to make a lot of money when people read your article. Just remember, the goal right here is to go to places where people are gathered, so you'll be able to make more money for yourself. By the way, if you are getting any value from the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that like button right here, and also if you have any question, feel free to drop your comment and I'm going to be answering all your comments. Literally guys, I'm going to advise you stay consistent. You need to make sure you start pushing out yourself, start pushing out your articles, so you'll be able to make more money. Never give up. Once you already have some money in your dashboard, all you need to do right now in order to withdraw your money is to go over to the wallet section right here, or you could literally locate the settings button. So once you go over to the wallet section, or you could locate that by going to the settings button, so you are going to be able to withdraw your money through Stripe. So that is your only payment method you could able to withdraw your money. So once you have a Stripe account, if you don't have a Stripe account, you will create a Stripe account. Then you could link your Stripe account to voca.media. So once you already have some money, you could withdraw your money straight into Stripe account. Then from Stripe account, you'll be able to withdraw your money into your local bank. And keep in mind, this website is going to be paying you $4 per every 1,000 views. So you can literally calculate how much you're going to be earning per every views you get. So I hope you find the video helpful. If you know you did, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Like I said, if you have any question related to this platform, make sure you drop your comment and I'm going to be answering to all your questions. And also, if you feel like also supporting me, the links are going to be down in the description. You can also check out useful links in the description. For those of you who are interested in joining my support, what I literally do in the support group is I walk you through a one-on-one coaching with me, where I'll be sharing with you how I make money online. I also be help you do some things related to make money online, so you'll be able to get more result faster. So if you know you want to learn more ways you could use to make money online, you could literally check out the video popping right here on your screen right now to learn more ways to make money online with your phone, and I'm gonna see you guys in the video.